We're already in Q4, and if you haven't found a winning product to scale during the holiday shopping season, then prepare to get left behind. Because Black Friday and Cyber Monday are next month, and e-commerce sales are projected to hit $21.3 billion that weekend alone. And if you want to get in on that action, you need to start preparing now. That's exactly what we'll be talking about in this video: how to find a winning product to scale during Q4. We'll go over market research, trend analysis, and product selection. Towards the end, I'll even show you guys how I save time and stay ahead of my competition when testing new products. So remember to drop a like and subscribe for more if you haven't already. My name's Alex if you're new. Let's get right into the video. Okay, so I'm just going to start by briefly covering trend analysis. I'm going to show you guys how to identify popular trends, profitable niches, and what products are currently performing for other dropshippers right now. So this is Google Trends. If you guys are unfamiliar with this platform, we can just click Explore right here at the top. It's gonna give us a little bit of search criteria right here. But over the last 12 months in the United States, we can see there's a lot of interest in ChatGPT, Temu. We can go ahead and look at Google Shopping, see what products people are searching for. So you got Temu, Expedia, Pinterest, the new Apple Watch, Best Buy. Go over to the second page, the new iPhone, Gap, Macy's, Target. So you guys can actually go a step further and just type in certain search terms on the little search bar at the top. So for example, since Halloween is just around the corner, I typed in neutral Halloween decor, and we can see that it is currently at peak interest right now. People are searching for this term and buying neutral Halloween decorations for their home. So this is definitely something that we could potentially find products for and build a store around, since people are searching for it right now, and that's exactly why we're using this data. Another website just like Google Trends is Exploding Topics. 6 months is usually a good time frame to go off of. We can also choose our categories right up here at the top. Got like AI, beauty, company concept, design. We want to go with e-commerce. It's going to show us all the top trends in the e-commerce industry. You guys can once again search for certain trends right here. If you guys have any of your own ideas. But this is just gonna identify popular brands and products that consumers are currently searching for. So this will help you narrow down certain niches, certain products, and just certain categories that you might be interested in selling. So once you guys have done some basic trend analysis and have identified the popular niches, categories, and what products are currently selling in the market right now, we can move over to some product research. I'm gonna start off by going over the AliExpress Dropshipping Center. This has always been a great option for dropshippers. It's available with anybody with an AliExpress account, and they have some great resources for you guys to use. If you guys have identified certain niches that you want to sell in, you guys can select those right up here at the top, or you can just click on this winning products section right here, and it's going to show you all the top performing winning products that other dropshippers are selling. You guys can sort it by recommended, price ascending or descending, sales descending. If you guys see anything that catches your attention, open them in new tabs. You guys can reach out to the suppliers. You guys can compare the products later on. But as you scroll through this list, you want to keep your product research criteria in mind. You guys want to look for products that are problem solving, unique and not found in stores. You guys want to find scroll stopping products that grab the user's attention, generally 50 to 70% profit margins, so that you guys have room to scale during Q4. So keep scrolling through this list, look at all the different products that are performing for other dropshippers, anything that catches your attention, open it in a new tab, and we'll compare them all later. Okay, so now we're gonna move over to TikTok. We're gonna look at real-time trending products. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to do that. So take out your phone. It works much better on a mobile device than it does on a desktop or a computer. But you guys can see right here, all of these videos are pretty old. They're from 2022. We do not want that. So you guys can select the filters up here at the top. You guys want to sort it by like count, date posted within the last week or even within the last month. So I selected the last week. It's gonna sort it by likes, and it's gonna show you all the top liked TikToks under this hashtag right here, hashtag TikTok made me buy it. You guys can look on similar hashtags like hashtag Amazon finds or anything that's related. And it's gonna show you all the top performing TikTok videos this week promoting these products for other dropshippers. So based on how these perform on TikTok, the amount of likes, the amount of views, just the overall traction that the algorithm has given these videos, you guys can spot certain trends and see what's performing for other dropshippers. So this is a great way to find products in real time. All right, I'm gonna show you guys one more method of finding winning products, and then we're going to source a supplier for that product and then we're going to talk about how to actually sell your winning products once you find one. So we're over here on De-essers. They're an order fulfillment app, just like Oberlo was before they shut down. This is my new go-to. You guys want to go on Find Suppliers right here on the left-hand side. And then once again, you have all of your product criteria up here. You guys can select certain categories if you've identified any niches you want to sell in. For example, we have home appliances, home and garden, jewelry and accessories. I'm just going to leave all this blank for now. We also have our ship from option right here. You guys want your product shipped from China, France, United States, or the United Kingdom. You guys can sort it by default, orders, newest, or price ascending and descending. So it's going to show you all of the top performing dropshipping products for other dropshippers right now. It's going to show you the amount of orders, the ratings, and just overall how these products are performing on the platform. Keep your product research criteria in mind. You guys don't want to waste your time with any products that don't match your criteria. Is it a problem-solving product? Is it unique and not sold in stores? Does it have high profit margins, allowing you to scale it during Q4? These are all very important to keep in mind. So keep scrolling through this list until you find any products that catch your attention or you might be interested in selling. All right, so after spending a good amount of time scrolling through this winning product list, I found this shaving apron right here. I've seen this product many times in the past for other dropshippers, but for the purpose of this video, that's the one we're gonna be going with. If you guys select this little magnifying glass down here where it says Supplier Optimizer, it'll take you to this page where it compares a ton of different AliExpress suppliers so that you guys can find the best one. We're gonna move over to AliExpress and source a supplier ourselves in case you guys aren't using de-essers. So just go ahead and type in the name of the winning product that you've already found, and we're gonna compare all of these different suppliers. So you guys can see all the different listings containing this product. Open your product when you find it in a new tab, and we're gonna compare all of them later. So once you guys have, say, 5 to 10 different tabs open with your product and different suppliers sourced, start narrowing it down. Try to get the 5 most top rated, highest selling suppliers narrowed down, and then reach out to those 5. Message them, say, do you support dropshipping? Are you willing to create VIP links? What shipping options do you have available? So make sure you're asking those questions to your suppliers, identifying which ones are better for dropshippers and which ones just aren't willing to work with you at all. So out of all of the different product listings that came up for this product, I like this one the best. They have over 5,000 units sold, almost 1,500 reviews with an average of a 4.7 star rating. They've been in business since 2020 and they have very high seller ratings. They have competitive pricing. This product is only $1.99 with $1.23 shipping. Once again, you guys are gonna wanna reach out to each one of these suppliers, message them, make sure they're willing to work with your dropshipping brand before you start selling with them. Otherwise, you're gonna run into a ton of problems down the road if you don't communicate clearly beforehand. So once you guys have a winning product selected and a supplier sourced for that product, it's time to decide if you wanna go the paid ads route or the organic marketing route. With paid ads, you're using platforms like Facebook ads, Google ads, TikTok ads, and you might see results much faster, but you can also lose a ton of money in the process when you guys get started with testing. With organic marketing, you typically order your product from a website like Amazon and shoot all of your own custom content in-house. You guys are making TikToks around your product and waiting for the algorithm to pick up your content, make it go viral, and drive a ton of sales in the process. This is not guaranteed. You guys must be good at creating content. You guys must understand what goes into a viral TikTok. There are a ton of pros and cons with each one of these methods. There's not one that I recommend more than the other, but I do have a way to save a ton of time and get started testing right away. Now that we're in Q4, you'll be testing a ton of different products in order to find that one winner that you can scale past Black Friday. Some of you might not be the best video editors, and that's okay, but you don't want to waste your ad budget on poorly made videos that won't perform well. The best way around this is to get a proven to convert video ad package from Viral Ecom Adz. I've been buying ads from this company for years and they never disappoint. Their videos have single-handedly taken new stores of mine from $0 to $1,000 a day in sales. Viral Ecom Adz is the most well-known video editing company in the world for dropshipping and have made over 50,000 video ads for more than 25,000 clients. What sets them apart from other companies is the fact that the owners are actively involved in e-commerce themselves, generating over $30 million in sales by using the videos made by Viral Ecom Adz. They have quite a few different video ad packages with 1 to 3 day delivery time to help you get started testing right away. You guys can see they have the split testing video ad package, the video ad package, the TikTok split testing package, which is my personal favorite, as well as the split testing vertical ad package for stories, and the combo ad package, which is a video plus 3 animated clips. Now, when you guys are ready to try them out, click the link I have for you in the description below, select your package, and we're gonna build our bundle really quick. How many videos do you want in your bundle? You guys wanna add TikTok text or a voiceover over your video? And then select buy it now, and you guys can fill out the submission form with more information about your winning product. But if you really want to increase your chances of success, you can join their VIP program. This gives you 75% off all their editing packages, 30% off UGC, 1-day delivery and revision time, as well as priority support. This way you can get the most amount of value for your investment and test as many products as you want for incredibly cheap. I'll leave a link in the description so that you guys can go check them out. I can't recommend their services enough. So once you guys have found a few winning products to test, the best way to get started right away is just by simply purchasing a video ad package from Viral Ecom Adz. You guys now have everything you need to make the most of Black Friday and Cyber Monday weekend. With a winning product and killer ad creatives, you have just about everything you need to succeed with e-commerce. If this video helped you out, consider leaving a like, sharing with others, and subscribing for more. I have a ton of helpful resources to help you guys get started, linked in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching. Best of luck during Q4, and I'll see you in the next one.